Water Square?
Yeah.
Why it's called Water Square? I don't see no water yet.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Go there.
Go straight ahead?
Yeah. I'm going to go to the boat. Is there any for so coming up? Stop right out, so I come. Mommy, I'll go down back. I'll follow you, come.
Exactly. Just direct me.
Oh, there, come on.
Trelawny Cooperative Credit Union.
What is that? Pier. Walk up.
Oh, okay. So just go straight down and then
Yeah, go through that lane also.
that lane right here, sir? Alright, cool. Thank you.
To see Pier.
Alright, call you? Yes, alright.
Chop the board. Chop over. You know, when first time, people mark me and chop it. Chop it. Yeah, no work at it. I don't work at it.
Yes, then. Hello. Hi, good afternoon. New to Falmouth. If I was to walk down this road, will I get back onto the main street? Oh, okay. It's not too far. All right, thanks. At one point, Martha Brae was considered the main town in Trelawny. However, because of its location and size, it was not given the status of parish capital. Instead, a seaside village on the north coast called Martha Brae Point was destined to be capital. This small village was eventually renamed Falmouth in honor of Governor William Trelawny, whose birthplace was Falmouth, located in the County of Cornwall in England. In 1790, Falmouth would become the capital of Trelawny. Falmouth. Oh, this is it. So I'm back here. So, wow. This is the parish council building. This beauty here. Are you guys seeing that? Damn. Wow. I'm in love. Oh, this parish court. First Assembly of God over there. It's a parish court. You see this? Pretty. Let me see if I can see the history. So the Falmouth courthouse, law and order in Falmouth. The courthouse was one of the first important buildings constructed in Falmouth and has been the scene of much drama in its long history. It was erected on the site that formerly housed Fort Balcarres and its barracks. The land was purchased in 1814 from Edward Moulton Barrett. Construction began the following year and was completed in 1817. This impressive Palladian style two-story building facing the harbor and is a reflection of the town's prominence and the wealth of the citizens. The entrance of the courthouse is grand with its double exterior staircase and 4 Doric columns that support its handsome portico. The upstairs chambers served both legal and social functions. The open arcade of the ground floor follows the centuries-long English tradition of providing space for merchants, lawyers, and others to mingle and negotiate. Destroyed by fire on August 19, 1926, the courthouse was built by the Henriquez brothers in 1930 using the same walls that remained. The building exterior has been resurfaced in the traditional lime wash based on ancient Roman lime techniques adopted by the British. The building currently serves as the courthouse, town hall, and offices of the Trelawny Municipal Corporation. So it's a gorgeous building, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my God. See? Gorgeous. So it's at Water Square, Falmouth. Oh, okay. So this is the side of it. So I walked all the way around. This looks familiar. I think we passed here when the guy was showing me around. Himself Falmouth don't have any park. I don't know if I believe him. Alright, so there. This is the square that we passed. So I think I'm gonna walk around this side because I think we passed that side already. We actually walked through that area. I am going to see if I can find somewhere to get some water,